Hi, I trust you are having a wonderful day. So don't judge me, okay? Because sometimes I love to take a break and go off the beaten path, and this time I found something glorious. Yes, glorious. If you stay with me till the end, you will admire what I just did, fall in love with the destination, and maybe even ask for my itinerary or request my tour guiding services. You see, while the city gives you stress and constant rush, out here it birdsong and a claiming rims of river waves, a true blessing to the soul. This hike, it was daunting. I did not believe I could do it. But here I am, standing on history. I suspect this rock was broken during the construction of the Niger Rain Bridge. Oh, I just gave away a little hint of where I am. So, I welcome you here to Jebba. Yes, Jebba, home to the Yoruba Nupe people, a place where nature, culture, and history come alive.